Welcome back to Big Bucks Finance. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into 3 fantastic ways to make money right from your phone. Imagine the flexibility of earning extra cash or even starting a small business, all from the palm of your hand. Whether you're at home, on the go, or even on vacation, your phone can be a powerful tool for financial freedom. First up, we'll explore reselling, where you can turn unused items into profit. Next, we'll dive into affiliate marketing, a great way to earn commissions by promoting products you love. And finally, we'll look at freelance gigs, perfect for leveraging your skills and talents. These methods can help you earn extra cash, or even start a small business. So grab your phone and let's get started. Stay tuned, and let's dive into these money-making methods right now. First up, reselling. This is a great way to turn items you no longer need into cash or even start a small business. It's a win-win situation. Find items to sell. Go through your home and find items you no longer use or need. You might be surprised at what you find. Think clothes, electronics, books, and collectibles. These items are always in demand. Tip: look for items in good condition that you can sell at a higher price. The better the condition, the more you can earn. The first app I recommend is eBay. eBay is a great app for selling a wide range of items. It's one of the most popular platforms for reselling. You can auction your items or set a fixed price. Both methods have their advantages. Secondly, Poshmark, which is best for clothing and fashion items. It's a go-to for fashion enthusiasts. It's user-friendly and has a large audience. This makes it easier to sell your items quickly. Facebook Marketplace, perfect for local sales. It's convenient and widely used. You can avoid shipping costs and meet buyers in person. This adds a personal touch to your sales. Pro tip: take high-quality photos and write detailed descriptions to attract buyers. The more details, the better. Make sure to check similar listings to price your items competitively. This helps you stay ahead of the competition. And don't forget to factor in shipping costs if you're selling on platforms like eBay. Shipping can affect your profit margins. For example, I found this old smartphone in my drawer. It was just collecting dust. After checking eBay, I saw a similar model selling for around $100. Not bad for something I wasn't using. A quick and easy way to make some extra cash. It's amazing how much value old items can have. Don't forget about vintage items and antiques. They can fetch a good price. Collectors are always on the lookout. Use specialized apps for niche items. For example, Depop is great for unique fashion pieces. It's a niche market with dedicated buyers. Depop has a vibrant community and is perfect for selling unique fashion pieces. It's a great place to showcase your style. Stay updated with market trends to know what's in demand. This knowledge can give you an edge. With these tips, you can successfully make money from reselling right from your phone. Another great source for items to resell is thrift stores. You can find hidden gems at a low cost. Always check the resale value of items before purchasing. This ensures you make a profit. Consider refurbishing items to increase their value. A little effort can go a long way in boosting your earnings. OfferUp is another excellent app for local sales. It's easy to use and has a large user base. Always meet buyers in safe, public places. Safety should be your top priority. Keep track of your sales and profits. This helps you understand what's working and where you can improve. As you get more experienced, consider expanding your reselling business. The sky's the limit. With these tips, you can successfully make money from reselling right from your phone. Happy selling. Section 2. Affiliate marketing. Next, let's talk about affiliate marketing, a powerful way to generate income online. This is where you promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, which is easy to join and offers a wide range of products, from books to electronics. ShareASale connects you with various companies offering affiliate programs, providing diverse opportunities. ClickBank, great for digital products like ebooks and online courses. Promote products. Share your affiliate links on social media, blog posts, or YouTube videos to reach a wider audience. Tip: create engaging content around the products you promote to attract more viewers. For example, review videos, tutorials, or blog posts can be very effective. Remember to disclose that you're using affiliate links to stay transparent with your audience and build trust. This builds trust and complies with regulations, ensuring you stay within legal boundaries. For instance, if you're into tech, you could review gadgets and include affiliate links in the description for easy access. If someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. The more you promote, the more you can earn. It's a great way to make passive income over time. Plan your strategy, stay consistent, and watch your earnings grow steadily over time. Success story. Many have turned affiliate marketing into a full-time income by staying dedicated and learning from their experiences. Tip: educate yourself continuously. Read books, take courses, and stay updated with the latest trends to maximize your earnings. With the right approach, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative and rewarding venture. Section 3. Freelance gigs. Lastly, let's talk about freelance gigs and how they can transform your career. With just your phone, you can offer your skills and services to clients around the world, no matter where you are. First, sign up for freelance platforms to get started. Upwork is great for a variety of freelance jobs, including writing, graphic design, and programming. It's a versatile platform. Fiverr offers gigs starting at $5, making it accessible for beginners. You can offer services like voiceovers, video editing, and more, depending on your expertise. Freelancer is another platform that connects freelancers with clients for various projects. To showcase your skills effectively, create a strong profile highlighting your skills and experience to stand out. Tip: add a portfolio of your work to attract clients and demonstrate your capabilities. Pro tip: start with smaller gigs to build your reputation and gain trust. As you gain positive reviews, you can charge higher rates and attract bigger clients, leading to more opportunities. For example, I started offering freelance writing services on Fiverr and gradually built my profile. Initially, I took smaller gigs, but as my ratings improved, I began getting higher paying clients, which was very rewarding. Now I can work from anywhere, just using my phone, enjoying the flexibility it offers. Remember to check your notifications regularly for new job offers and opportunities. Keep your profile and portfolio updated to stay competitive and relevant in the market. Celebrate your successes and keep pushing for more opportunities, as the freelance world is full of potential. You can also offer tutoring services, helping students with subjects you excel in. Platforms like Wizant and Chegg Tutors are great for connecting with students in need of help. Another option is managing social media accounts for businesses, which is in high demand. Use platforms like Hootsuite to streamline your social media management tasks. Virtual assistant services are also popular, helping clients with administrative tasks. Websites like Belay and Time, etc., can help you find virtual assistant gigs. No matter what service you offer, the key is to stay dedicated and continuously improve your skills. Embrace the freedom and flexibility that freelancing offers, and make the most of your opportunities. Conclusion. In conclusion, making money from your phone is easier than ever. Whether you choose reselling, affiliate marketing, or freelance gigs, the opportunities are endless. Each method has its own perks and can be tailored to fit your interests and schedule. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And let me know in the comments which method you're excited to try first. Also, if you have any questions or want more tips, drop them below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks for watching Big Bucks Finance. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on new ways to boost your income. See you in the next video. Bye!